Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy. And are you wondering how to know your maximum wallet, your monthly transaction limit on AirtelTigo, that's 80 mobile money? Then this video is for you. Yeah, so this video I'll keep it simple and short. Yeah, so let's get started. Yeah, so as you can see on the screen, dial the 80 money code, that's the *110#. So dial this code. Yeah, so in here you realize there are a lot of options in here. Select option 8, that's my account. Option 8, my account. Yeah, so in here also you realize there are a lot of options in here. Select option 7, ATM limit check. Option 7, so you have to select 7, that's ATM limit check. Option 7, ATM limit check. Yeah, then type in your mobile money pin. So type in your mobile money pin to confirm. Kindly type in your mobile money pin to confirm. Then wait. So in here you have to select 1, check wallet limit. And that's it. So you see your daily limit, the transaction that you can perform daily, the maximum wallet balance, the maximum amount of funds that your account can hold, and you might also get your maximum, your aggregate monthly transaction limit. Yeah, yours there might be some amount in there. If not, there will be none. So that's how easy and simple is it to check your AirtelTigo transaction limit or account limit. Yeah, so that's it. Now you can easily check your AirtelTigo Money wallet limit anytime. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification for more tips. So see you in the next video.